bull versus bear case for Indian IT as we step into 2023. All right, let's get chatting about the technicals then.
Let's do that, Reema. Very interesting, and it really throws up both sides of the debate, right? But we have been speaking to our guests about as well. So thanks for highlighting the bear and bull case for Nifty IT. But with that, let's take a look at the markets. We are currently at the high point of the day. It's over 0.9% higher for the Nifty right now, 165 points. So we are at the high point of the day, and it is really the mid-cap and small-cap space where we are seeing a lot of momentum. So the mid-cap index is up 2.5%. You have the small caps, which are seeing a gain of over 3% as well. So let's get you a technical check on this market. Gaurav Ratnaparkhi of Sharekhan joins us now for exactly that. Gaurav, good morning. Thank you for joining us. The morning has definitely been good. Of course, we're just recovering a bunch of the losses that we saw last week. But how do you look at it right now? Do you would you take a position at the index level?
Yeah, so good morning, everybody. So basically, after the sharp decline in the last week, the short-term momentum indicators had reached the oversold zone, and as a result, we are witnessing this pullback today. But looking at the overall structure, my sense is that this is only a bounce back, and it is unlikely to turn out to be a larger rally. On the higher side, Nifty can test its crucial early moving averages, which are near 18,050, 18,100. However, at that level, at around 18,100, Nifty can attract selling pressure yet again, and from there, Nifty can move back to test the level of 17,800. So all in all, this is only a pullback and unlikely to be a start of a fresh up move. Even if you look at Bank Nifty, it had broken a crucial rising trend line on Friday, and today it has moved up to retest that trend line. So 42,200 is a crucial resistance for Bank Nifty where it can attract selling pressure. So basically in this week, volatility is likely to remain high, and that can be coupled with low volumes. So one needs to be very stock specific and should have proper position sizing in order to sail through this volatility.
Okay, so this is just a pullback. Don't get fooled by the kind of rally that you're seeing right now. Thanks, Gaurav, for that. Individual stocks, I wanted your thoughts also on names, from the defense space, from the PSU banking space that have resumed the uptrend. Anything that you like here for some follow-on buying?
Yeah, surely. So from the defense space, HAL and BEL, these will be the two top picks. Both these stocks have seen a considerable correction, and after that, they are going for a fresh move on the upside. So over here in these counters, this can be a start of a fresh up move. The medium-term trend remains pretty solid, and despite of the short-term correction, the medium-term trend remains unchanged. And in fact, both these stocks are about to start their fresh up move. So one can buy at current level, keeping stop loss below today's low, and expect to retest the recent highs. So both HL, BEL will be buys at current level. And from the PSU banking space, SBI will be the stock which one can consider. The stock has been underperforming the overall PSU banking space, but nevertheless, the downside looks pretty limited. The stock has seen a correction and has taken support near its 20-week moving average, and from there it is moving up. So 570 is a pretty strong support from where it has started recovering today. So keep a stop loss below 570 and expect the stock to head towards the zone of 630, 632, where there is a daily upper Bollinger Band as well as weekly upper Bollinger Band.
Any other stock recommendation, trading ideas for the last trading week of this year, Gaurav?
Yeah, sure. So I have picked up Trent. Trent has seen a correction which started pretty earlier than Nifty. Nifty continued to move higher till December, but Trent entered correction mode in November month itself. So it has seen a pretty deeper correction as compared to Nifty, and has seen a three-wave correction which unfolded in a channelized manner. And the stock in Friday's session has taken support near the lower channel line as well as near 200-day moving average, and from there it has started moving up. So at least a bounce towards the upper end of the channel is what we can expect. Still, it will be a decent upside from current level. Target will be around 1420, 1430, which is around the upper channel line, and one can keep a stop loss at 1310. And the second pick is Ultratech Cement. So over here, again, the medium-term trend is pretty strong, and the short-term correction is actually an opportunity to align with the larger uptrend. So the correction has taken support near the junction of 40-day exponential moving average and daily lower Bollinger Band. And these two parameters combined together generally act as a very strong support, and high probability level can be considered from where the stock starts its larger uptrend. So same is the case with Ultratech currently. Keep a stop loss at around 69.50 and expect a target of around 73.60, 7400.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. Any disclosures that you want to make?